again. It's Priscilla Batzell at Spring. Oh boy, in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have an idea, and I don't know how it's going to work, and I don't know what this white is either. I'm kind of assuming that it's a loose white Meeden, but I don't know that for sure. And I'm going to use some color changing red from Folk Art, some yellow that was Sargent's with some orange in it, a little Arteza fiery red, some Color Art Hot Orchid, some, turn that around, let's not worry about that, some Decor Americana 24 karat gold, some Hobby Lobby brand orange, some black oxide, Amsterdam black oxide with Australian Floetrol in it. I was going to blow into that. I guess I am. That's a lot of paint. It's kind of cool looking though. Ooh, head rush. Let me grab something I can pour off onto. Which at this moment turns out to be yesterday's round circle. Never sure that this is going to work as far as looser paint goes. But it's worth a try, I guess. It looks kind of cool. Looks like I could definitely add more. It's a lot like it wants to mix. I gotta pull out my house paint. There's no doubt about it. It would be good to try this legitimately. Oh, what's that? That's a bubble. That's a bubble. I've got some lacing, but I don't think I'm going to keep it. It doesn't mean I'm going to give up. It just means I'm not going to get what I thought I was after. Makes me want to put a whole lot more hot orchid in there. I am getting some nice white negative space, which I really kind of like. So this is turning out to be what seems to be, potentially, for me in my case, a background. And I would say I wasted that white paint, but I don't know what it is, so it's not really all that valuable, because I can't tell you. I have two white spots left, this over here and this over here. And this one's good because it'll let me hang on to something. I'll try not to, I don't want that dripping off. Too late. I can see another bubble. It's bound to be a little messy. Go away, bubble. So what I can do, that's pretty gorgeous actually, surprise, is take my paint from on the edge catcher and cover my naked spots. And it will seem a lot less like I wasted anything, especially since I don't feel like I really did use the paint on my edge catcher. I threw that spatula, that Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, in the bucket. Let's just move some paint around with my breath, which is kind of taupe, but I think I'm pretty happy with that, to tell you the truth. I thought I was going to do all kinds of stuff, but I don't think I'm going to do anything. Hit and run. Cool. Well, hit and runs aren't cool, but you know what I mean. Very pretty. I don't see any gaps. I'm going to use my torch to release any bubbles caught in the paint. I could really, 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 really appreciate if I had my little tiniest tool, and I do, put a little bit of, which way is that supposed to go? I think it's going to go this way now. Put a little bit of black in there. Oh, I do like that spot though. Just ever so gently, because I don't think I need to do a whole lot. I know every paint that I have mixed has GAC 800 by Golden, so if I want to leave my paint heavy, but I'm pretty sure that this paint is pretty watery. Throw a couple tendrils in there just to make that one weird mark. Into a weirder still mark. Well, I gotta tell you what, that's not what I expected. That's totally gorgeous. I can see there are a couple places that I need to touch up near my edge over here, but I got plenty of paint to do it. Love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out some of my 2100 videos organized by topic and genre on playlists that you can find by going to my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel banner, if you find PayPal and Patreon and you decide that you'd like to help support the studio's production of videos, it will automatically give you entry into my monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes for the drawing included at the very beginning of the exhibition video that I put on the end screen of every video and change every month. And should at some point in time you find that it is not there or there is an announcement, just know that I am gone. And I'm not coming back, because until I'm gone, I will be coming back. I think this is it. I'm going to move this and give you guys a close-up. Kind of liking that circle. It's going to make a planet in the end. Yeah, that's extraordinary. I really like that. I wanted to use oranges. I'll do something else. But check that out. Let's zoom in. Really pretty. And kind of unexpected. Check the first blue link under the video is my link tree, and it has my Amazon link where my 2 books are. And my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my website, my Legalerist clothing made in Montreal, which is investment quality clothing. Underneath the link tree is my email address should you want to get in touch with me or inquire after purchasing an artwork. It's EASPB, the word gallery spelled out. My paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe are underneath Show More. When you click Show More underneath the video, please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do and if you want to support me. If you share my videos, you help me out. If you watch them longer, you help me out. Thank you guys for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time, and thank you so much for all the kind words and comments that keep my morale boosted in the face of despair, which has been hard to resist lately. But I love you guys, and you do inspire the heck out of me. What else can I tell you? I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. So if you want to inquire after an artwork, it's a really good idea to have the hashtag file number from the title of the video. I love you guys. I will see you anon. I'm sure I forgot something. Oh, spring clothing under the video, and the fact that I post 7 days a week and more on weekends, and that there are 2100 videos, and they are organized by topic and genre. And if you have a question, please ask, and if you need a link, please ask. You guys take care of each other. And take care of yourselves, and I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I'm really happy with that. See you. Bye for now. Priscilla out.